Hi, my name is Emily, and I am the Education Director at the Discovery Center of Idaho. Today, I'm very excited to be able to unpack one of our brand new kits that we're producing. As you know, we've all been home with the pandemic, and we will be opening to the public on July 7th with our new exhibition, King Tut Treasures of the Tomb. Because of the pandemic, we had to cancel all of our summer camps for June. And in lieu of summer camps, what we're doing is every Thursday in June, you'll be able to see our wonderful Haley Hill, our education manager, doing a quick video, kind of a virtual dino camp for everyone. She'll be doing an activity that you can follow along with at home, and kind of our trial run in our summer camp virtual hybrids that we'll be moving forward with. Starting in July, we're going to be doing half-day summer camps, and every camper that comes through will be getting a kit of some sort. So if you come to space camp, you'll be getting a space camp kit. If you come to archaeology camp, you'll be getting an archaeology camp kit. And these kits are activities that you can do at home as a family, and we're providing you the materials that might not be as accessible in your own homes, and also just providing it pre-measured and ready to go so that you don't have to do too much thinking about it. Today what I'm going to do is show you our dino kit. So these dino kits, we aren't doing a dino camp this summer because we had to cancel them in June, but we did make some dino kits, and they will be available for purchase over the next couple of weeks. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these kits to take home and do a fun STEM activity with your kids, then please contact us at education@dcidaho.org. So this is what you're going to get in your DC Idaho STEM at home dino kit. It's this wonderful box. It is good and solid, a great box that you can use in the future. Everything that we're putting together in here has been put together with a mind towards sustainability. So we really wanted to use materials that could be reused, canisters that could be reused, bags that can be reused, because we really want to promote everyone thinking about sustainable, environmental friendly products moving forward. So I will take off the lid. This is our dino kit, so we have lots of fun dino stickers all over it. And as we open up birthday presents, we always pull out the cards first. So here's our cards, and at the top we have a welcome message. Welcome, scientists. We are so ecstatic to be sharing the world of STEM with you from your very own home. It provides 5 different activities in here. We have kit guidelines, a note about reduce, reuse, and recycle, and then, and take off this, we have all of the different directions for each one of the activities printed out and waterproofed, so that if you spill a little, which we always do when we're doing science, it doesn't get all messy and ruined. So we have every single activity with pictures, very clear descriptions, and also some explanations about the science behind each one of these pieces. In this also, you'll see that some of the materials are going to be paper, and we have that all in this piece. So I'll try to tip this so you can kind of see what we've done. So it's all split up here. I'm just going to take them out one piece at a time and try to go with the activities. So first of all, we're going to look for the materials that are biome in a bag. So we have a 1 liter plastic bottle, which is a reused bottle that we pulled from ourselves. We need a gallon Ziploc baggie, and this is to help us create the biome. We need pebbles, which are in this wonderful glass jar, completely reusable and really great for keeping your pebbles or rock collections moving forward. Potting soil, but all measured out for you, so you don't even have to worry about measuring it out. And everything, I don't think you can tell, but everything is labeled for you. We have sand. So you get to choose whether you want sand biome or soil biome. We have seeds, which are in these super great little cups. And we assume everyone will have some water. We gave you some Sharpies And we hope that everyone has some colored pencils. If you don't have colored pencils, you can use crayons. You can really use anything. So in this wonderful little themed reusable snack bag, which we absolutely love, you can find your pencil, your Sharpie. We have a dropper that's going to be used in one of the kits, and also some scissors as well. So here's this. This can be used for school lunches next year or summer campouts. It's a great little, put it around your wrist, you don't lose it. Every one of the kits comes with one of these, either a small version or a larger version. And as we move forward with the kits, we've got space themes, we've got chemistry themes, we've got archaeology themes. They're all really fun. We're excited to be able to use these. And I think that's everything for that. So I will try to move this so you can kind of see them all laid out there for that kit. The next activity we'll look for is Q-tip Dino Skeletons. So if you've been to the center in the last couple of months before we closed down, we did this activity out on the floor, and it was so much fun. What you get to create here are dino skeletons with Q-tips. Super simple and super fun. So the main thing we need is we need construction paper, which is included in the paper packet. You will need scissors, which we already showed you in this piece. You'll need Q-tips, as many as you want to use. So we gave you all a good solid handful of these. And of course you can use these for other things if you don't use them all. Glue and the pencil, which is in this lovely dino bag. The next activity is make an impression. So as you'll notice here, we will be making a skeleton impression in this activity, just like we would see in a museum, or how paleontologists would find them in the wild, in nature. So the other thing we're gonna need is 1 cup of salt. Let's see. And this, again, another lovely glass jar, totally reusable. Wheat flour, which I don't see right here, but I'm sure we'll include it in the next kit. Baking soda, baking powder, baking paper. So this is just parchment paper. You may already have some, but we went ahead and put some in here for you. Skeleton dinos, which are these super fun. So every one of the kits comes with a different skeleton dino. So you might get a T-Rex here, like Tinker, or you might get any sort of dinosaur skeleton that we have in a kit. You'll need a bowl to mix and an oven, and it's a super fun activity. And then I think the next one is hatching a dino. Hatching a dino, we'll need baking soda, which I think I already pulled out. We will need water, a pipette, which we've included in this kit here. You will need white vinegar, which we've already measured out for you, again, in these nice glass jars. A toothbrush, here we go, and a large bowl and a spoon. And pretty much everything has kind of come through. Oh, and then we also need these fun little plastic dinosaurs, because there's some sort of dinosaur we're gonna have to hatch. And these are fun, cute little guys. And they're fun for the little ones if you wanna just keep playing with them later on. And here's a picture of what that activity kind of looks like, and what you'll notice here. It's all spelled out for you. We also have a Pangea puzzle, where they'll be able to understand the theory of continental movement with a world map here, as well as land masses to cut out, and some fun paper to add on to, as well as a legend to add to their map. So lots of fun things, 5 whole different activities that you could do over the course of 5 days. You could do it once a month, just a fun activity to do. Maybe takes about half an hour at max for each one of these activities. And the kids not only have fun and you get to have family time, but you also learn a little bit about paleontology and a little bit more about dinosaurs. And don't forget the swag. Everything comes with some DCI stickers, and we've thrown in a good ruler for everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the unpacking video. And we hope that you will take advantage of some of the kits that we have for you this summer. And if you haven't already signed up your school-age kids for our summer camps, we still have space available in some of our morning and our afternoon camps. And again, with each registration, you get one of these kits to take home and extend your experience of DCI at home. Thank you so much for all of your time, and have a great summer. And I'll see you next time when I'll be unpacking either our outdoor activity kit or one of our chem kits or one of our space kits. So every week for the next couple of weeks, I'll be doing another unpacking to let you guys know what's coming up. Thanks so much. Bye.